In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the voice coach in the Adidas running app on your iPhone. If you've been getting audio cues during your workouts and want a quieter run, walk, or ride, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to tap so the app stays silent while still tracking your activity. Start by opening the Adidas running app on your iPhone. When the app launches, make sure you're on the activity screen, the one where you normally start a workout. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the big start button front and center. This is the main tracking screen where you choose your activity and begin recording. Look just to the right side of that start button for the small gear icon. That gear is your settings shortcut for the activity screen. Go ahead and tap it. This opens a set of options that affect what you hear and see while you're working out, so it's the perfect place to manage audio prompts. Inside these settings, find the option labeled Voice Coach and tap it. Voice Coach is the feature that speaks to you during your activity, delivering information like pace, distance, and time at intervals. It can be helpful, but it's not for everyone, especially if you prefer to focus, listen to music, or keep your runs distraction-free. You'll see a switch to turn Voice Coach on or off. Toggle it off. When the switch is off, the app will stop giving spoken updates during your activities. This won't affect your tracking. Your distance, pace, and time will still be recorded in the background as usual, but you won't hear announcements. Once you've turned it off, close the settings to return to the activity screen. That's it. Voice Coach is now disabled, and it won't speak during your next workout. If you ever change your mind and want audio updates again, just return to the same spot and toggle it back on. You can also explore the Voice Coach section later to tailor what it announces and how often, but for now, the feature is simply off. A quick tip, if you're listening to music or a podcast, turning off Voice Coach can keep your audio uninterrupted and make your run feel more seamless. It can also help reduce distractions and keep you focused on your pace and breathing. You're all set. Enjoy your next activity with a quieter, cleaner experience in the Adidas running app on your iPhone.